No, no, see, it is an issue where we have given a space for advertisement. Like buses are given for advertisement. Now that party has got an advertisement from a condom company. He is now using our space. Now there are some people we hear through the local news that they are objecting to the banner or that poster. Till now we have not received any complaints in writing from any person. So as and when the complaint comes, we will clarify what it is.
But तुमका किती women's commission and किती
We have just read it in the newspaper that Women's Commission is going to issue us a letter.
But
Till date it is not come. Let the summons come, we will reply to that. What types of advertisement can be put on the buses and what types cannot be put. Like drugs, then tobacco, smoking, that type. So we will have to see whether this falls in that category. So if it is objectionable, it falls in that category, then we can direct the company to remove it.
But till date तुम्ही किती पळयला किती
We have seen that, we find no objection in that.